The discovery of Pluto is a captivating tale that involves an intense search for a mysterious ninth planet, a young astronomer's relentless pursuit, and a legacy that sparks controversy and fascination. Pluto's story is an intriguing blend of scientific endeavor and human curiosity, making it one of the most intriguing chapters in the history of astronomy. The hunt for Planet X, the early 20th century marked a period of excitement and speculation among astronomers regarding the existence of a ninth planet beyond Neptune. The irregularities in Neptune's orbit hinted at the presence of another celestial body tugging at the giant planet. Astronomers referred to this hypothetical planet as Planet X. Clyde Tombaugh's quest. In 1929, a young American astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh joined the search for Planet X at the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona. His task was to compare photographs of the night sky taken several days apart to identify any moving objects, a method known as blink comparison. The discovery, on February 18, 1930, after painstakingly analyzing countless photographic plates, Tombaugh noticed a tiny, faint speck of light that appeared to shift position. This indicated the presence of a new celestial body moving against the backdrop of stars. Tombaugh had discovered Planet X, which was later named Pluto. Naming the ninth planet, the discovery of Pluto captured the public's imagination, and the news spread worldwide. The name Pluto was suggested by an 11-year-old girl from Oxford, England, named Venetia Burney. Her grandfather, a librarian and former Oxford University scholar, informed her of the new planet's discovery. Venetia proposed the name Pluto, after the Roman god of the underworld, which was also associated with the dark and cold outer reaches of the solar system. The controversy, Pluto's status as the ninth planet, remained undisputed until the late 20th century, when advancements in technology and observational methods allowed astronomers to gather more information about the outer solar system. As they explored the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with small icy bodies, they found that Pluto was not alone and was, in fact, one of many similar-sized objects. Reclassification. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, made the controversial decision to reclassify Pluto as a dwarf planet. The new definition of a planet required it to meet three criteria: orbit the Sun, have sufficient mass to assume a nearly round shape, and clear its orbital neighborhood of other debris. Pluto met the first two criteria but not the third, as it shares its orbit with other bodies in the Kuiper Belt. Pluto's mysteries. Despite being reclassified, Pluto continues to fascinate astronomers. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made a historic flyby of Pluto, providing stunning images and valuable data about the icy world. The images revealed a diverse terrain, including mountains, valleys, and vast ice plains. Pluto's atmosphere was also found to be much more dynamic than previously thought, with features like hazes and clouds. A legacy of exploration, the discovery of Pluto, followed by the subsequent exploration by New Horizons, has reignited interest in the outer solar system. It has motivated scientists to explore the Kuiper Belt and its inhabitants, leading to the discovery of other fascinating objects and further expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. Size and composition. Pluto is much smaller than the 8 major planets in our solar system. It has a diameter of approximately 2,377 kilometers, 1,477 miles, making it about 18.5% the size of Earth. Despite its small size, Pluto is relatively massive, with a density greater than that of the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. It is composed mostly of rock and ice, with a substantial amount of water ice on its surface. Orbit and rotation. Pluto's orbit is highly eccentric, meaning it is not a perfect circle but rather an elongated ellipse. This eccentricity causes significant variations in its distance from the Sun. At its closest approach, perihelion, Pluto is about 4.4 billion kilometers, 2.7 billion miles, from the Sun, while at its farthest point, aphelion, it is about 7.4 billion kilometers, 4.6 billion miles, away. Pluto's average distance from the Sun is approximately 5.9 billion kilometers, 3.7 billion miles. Orbital period. Pluto takes about 248 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Due to this lengthy orbital period and its distance from Earth, Pluto moves relatively slowly across the night sky, making it challenging to observe from our planet. Moons. Pluto has 5 known moons, the largest of which is Charon. Charon is relatively large compared to Pluto, with a diameter of about 1,212 kilometers, 753 miles. The other four moons, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, are much smaller and were discovered after Charon. Pluto and Charon are sometimes referred to as a double dwarf planet system because they both orbit a common center of gravity located above Pluto's surface. Atmosphere: Pluto has a thin atmosphere primarily composed of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. During its closest approach to the Sun, the surface temperature can rise enough to allow some of the frozen nitrogen and other volatile ices to sublimate, creating a tenuous atmosphere. New Horizons mission: the New Horizons spacecraft, launched by NASA in January 2006, conducted a flyby of Pluto in July 2015. This historic encounter provided scientists with the most detailed and up-close images of the distant dwarf planet and its moons. The spacecraft also gathered invaluable data about Pluto's surface composition, atmosphere, and geological features. Pluto's heart: one of the most prominent features observed during the New Horizons flyby was a distinctive heart-shaped region on Pluto's surface, officially named Tombaugh Regio in honor of Clyde Tombaugh, the discoverer of Pluto. The heart-shaped region is believed to be a relatively young geological feature, indicating recent activity on the surface. The dwarf planet controversy: Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union (IAU) in 2006 stirred debate among scientists and the public. Some argued that Pluto deserved full planetary status due to its historical significance and unique characteristics, while others believed the IAU's definition of a planet was more scientifically rigorous. Beyond Pluto lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of space populated with icy bodies, comets, and dwarf planets. Pluto is considered the largest and one of the most well-known objects in the Kuiper Belt, but it is just one of many fascinating and mysterious worlds in this distant region. The birth and discovery of Pluto embody the spirit of scientific curiosity and human perseverance. Pluto's story serves as a reminder that our solar system is still full of secrets waiting to be unveiled. As technology advances and new generations of explorers rise, the legacy of Pluto will continue to inspire astronomers and space enthusiasts to venture into the unknown and explore the farthest reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. Please do not forget to subscribe. We will love for you to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.